Did you know most motorcycle engines don't fail because of manufacturing defects, but because of the rider? Every year, thousands of bikes suffer internal damage simply from habits that seem harmless, habits riders repeat every single day without realizing they're scraping months, sometimes years, off their engine's life. And the worst part, you might be doing some of these without even knowing it. So today, we're breaking down 6 horrible riding habits that quietly ruin your motorcycle engine and drain your wallet. And habit number 4 is something even seasoned riders don't take seriously until it's too late. Let's begin. 1. Revving the engine when it's cold. Nothing feels more tempting than twisting the throttle the moment your bike fires up. But a cold engine is at its most vulnerable. When your motorcycle sits overnight, all the oil settles at the bottom, leaving critical components like pistons, bearings, and cams without proper lubrication. If you rev it immediately, you're forcing dry metal into metal, causing microscopic scratches and long-term wear. In cold weather, this gets even worse because thick oil takes even longer to circulate. The fix is simple. Let your bike idle for 30 to 60 seconds and keep your throttle light for the first few minutes of riding. But revving cold is just the beginning because the next mistake is something riders make even when the engine is warm: lugging the engine at low RPM. Lugging happens when you're riding in high gear at a speed that's too low for your engine. Instead of running smoothly, the bike starts to vibrate or chug as the combustion cycle struggles. It's like trying to pedal a bicycle uphill in the hardest gear. You're pushing too much load with too little momentum. This strain transfers directly to the crankshaft, bearings, and connecting rods, all of which take a beating every time you lug the engine. Over time, this leads to misfires, overheating, and bearing damage. If your bike feels like it's struggling, downshift. Your engine is designed to rev. It's far healthier at moderate RPM than fighting for life at low RPM. But the next habit is even more damaging because it directly affects how your engine burns fuel. Using cheap or incorrect fuel. Many riders think saving a few rupees or dollars at the pump doesn't matter, but using the wrong octane fuel causes poor combustion, overheating, and engine knocking. Lower quality fuel often contains moisture, ethanol, or contaminants that clog injectors and corrode internal components. And if your bike requires premium fuel but you use regular, the air-fuel mixture may ignite too early inside the cylinder. These shock waves pound your pistons and valves, slowly destroying them from within. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended octane rating and use ethanol-free fuel if your bike isn't designed to handle blends. Fuel mistakes are bad, but the next habit is one silently destroys engines even when everything else seems fine. Ignoring valve clearance checks. Your valves work thousands of times per minute, opening and closing to control airflow and combustion. Over time, heat and wear cause the valve clearance to drift out of spec. If the clearance gets too tight, valves can fail to close fully, causing compression loss and overheating. If it's too loose, the engine becomes noisy and inefficient, and misfires start creeping in. Manufacturers recommend valve inspections at specific intervals, but many riders skip them, often until the bike starts running poorly. By then, damage may already be done. Keeping your valve clearance checked on schedule can add years of life to your engine. And speaking of airflow, the next habit is one riders forget simply because they can't see the damage happening: letting the air filter stay dirty. Your air filter is your bike's lung. When it's clogged with dust and debris, your engine can't breathe. Restricted airflow forces the bike to run rich, burning more fuel than necessary and leaving carbon buildup on spark plugs and valves. In severe cases, dirt can slip past a damaged filter entirely, scratching your pistons and cylinder walls. Check, clean, or replace your filter every few thousand miles, and more often if you ride in dusty conditions. But even if your air filter is clean, the final habit on this list can destroy an engine faster than almost anything else: overfilling or underfilling engine oil. Oil is your engine's lifeline. Too little oil means metal parts grind against each other, overheating and wearing down rapidly. Too much oil causes foaming, pressure buildup, and seal damage. Both extremes lead to expensive repair bills, and in worst cases, total engine failure. Check your oil on level ground using your dipstick or sight glass, and always use the recommended oil type. Never guess. Know your oil level. A motorcycle engine doesn't fail overnight. It fails slowly from tiny habits that build up over time. Avoiding these 6 mistakes is the easiest way to extend your engine's life, save money, and make your rides smoother and safer. Take care of the machine, and it will take care of you mile after mile.